All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this Athenian Stranger tutorial video where today we are going to learn how to find the slope given the equation of a line. So here in the first problem, we have an equation in slope-intercept form, and that would be the form y equals mx plus b. And when an equation is in that form, you can just look at this position where the m value would be, and you can just read the slope. So the slope would be 4. And so the answer is 4. But remember, we're doing one other piece. We're going to find the x-intercept as well. We can also identify the y-intercept. The y-intercept is just 5. The x-intercept, though, can be found by writing down this equation, but placing a 0 where you see the y. And you'll find the x-intercept by solving for x. So 0 equals 4x plus 5. And then we subtract out 5 on both sides. And we have negative 5 equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4. Cross out the 4's on the right. And now you have x equals negative 5 over 4. Or if you like, negative 1.25. Equals x. This is something we can graph. We can draw a quick graph here showing the equation of the line in a picture. So being able to quickly sketch a graph to get a visual of what we're doing is also important. So the y-intercept is plotted on the y-axis at 5. The slope is 4, so we could go up 4 over 1 because the rise would be 4, the run would be 1. We could do it the other way as well. Rather than going up 4 over 1 to the right, we could start at 5 and go down 4 and go 1 to the left. Like that. And we do expect an upward sloping line. There's our line. And we know the coordinates of this place where the line crosses the x-axis, and that would be the x-intercept, or negative 5/4, comma, 0. The y-intercept here is 0, comma, 5. Okay, so that's what I want to see for each one of these problems. We find the slope, that's the easy part. Then we identify the y-intercept, which would be 5. That's this b value here. Then we use the slope and the y-intercept to create a little picture, and we label both the y-int and the x-int. So that's what I'd like to see for each of these problems to make it a little bit more involved than merely circling the 4.